Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Java version 8 from Oracle on ElementaryOS Freya. First thing you're going to need to do is open a terminal and type sudo space add -apt -repository space ppa colon semicolon web update team / Java. Put your password in and hit enter. Next, you're going to want to type sudo apt -get update to update your repositories, and then type sudo apt -get install oracle -java8 installer. Select OK and then yes to accept the end user license agreement, and then type java space -version to check that it's worked. Thanks for watching guys, please comment, like and subscribe, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to play Minecraft with the newly installed Java on ElementaryOS Freya.